This is the 8th lecture of class 12 physics, and in this lecture we will discuss about electric dipole and dipole moment and its direction and special condition of electric dipole, that is ideal dipole or point dipole. So dipole here means two poles, just like in magnet, north and south poles, same as in charge case, because we are studying what? Electrostatics. So in the sense of electrostatic, dipole means positive and negative charges. And whenever two opposite and equal charges separated by finite distance, and the distance is what? Very small distance, that is representing by either 2a or 2r, then such type of arrangement or the systems is defined as what? Electric dipoles. Let's see. Very important and very easy concept, because with the help of this one we can derive so many formula. This is plus q charge and this is minus q charge. Whenever separated by very small distance, either 2a or 2r, with the help of anyone we can represent. So here representing by either 2a or 2r. Suppose this is point A and this is point B. Whenever two equal means magnitude here same. If this one 2 coulomb, then this one also 2 coulomb, but here plus sign and here minus sign. When two equal and opposite charges separated by finite distance, either by 2a, in some case book are in some cases representing by 2a, in some cases representing by 2r. And what is the concept of here taking 2a and 2r? Because 2a half gives what? A, and a whenever taken, then the cube of a, square of a whenever taken, then can easily solve out the numericals. That's why only for the simplification it becomes easier, either in the terms of r or in the terms of a, always taken twice of a and twice of r. So the definition or concept about electric dipole: two equal and opposite charges when separated by finite distance, either 2a or 2r, no matter, then such type of arrangement is called electric dipole. And here measurement of electric dipole, that is how the electric dipole measure. Very simple concept. Whenever charge concept and distance concept is given, the measurement of electric dipole moment. Either charge, either plus q charge magnitude or minus q charge magnitude, either charge and the distance between both, whenever taken in product form, that is P. This is the representation of electric dipole moment. P is equal to either charge of magnitude with positive sign or the magnitude of negative sign, that is q, into the distance of separation, that is 2a. Whenever taken the product of either charge and distance between both the charges is defined as electric dipole moment. It is a vector quantity and its direction from negative charge to positive charge. Suppose here this is the dipole and a negative charge and a positive charge, then the dipole moment vector P directed from B to A in vector form. This one can be written as vector P is equal to Q into 2A, and its unit very simple, charge unit coulomb and distance always measured in meter, coulomb meter, CM short form. And after the measurement of electric dipole, there are so many examples that represent the dipole. Example of dipole, that is in case of S2O, SCl, C2H5OH, and CS3, COOH. I was showing the example of electric dipole. Electric dipole means whenever two equal and opposite charges developed, then they align along a single line. And here the concept of electric dipole measurement, that is from negative charge to positive charge along the line, that is BA. And next one, that is very important topic, ideal dipole. Ideal dipole or point dipole. The concept is very easy. Whenever the charge value increases, suppose this charge increases and this charge also increases, just like in this way. This is the charge value plus Q, and this is also the charge value plus Q, and here minus Q, in such a way that distance between both charge value becomes zero and the charge value magnitude becomes infinite. It means when Q becomes infinite and 2A becomes 0, the charge value becomes heavier, too much heavier, then the distance between the positive and negative charges reduces and becomes what? 0. In this case, the system or such type of arrangement is defined as ideal dipole. Just listen again from starting. Electric dipole means when two equal and opposite charges, whenever separated by finite distance 2A, then such type of arrangement is called electric dipole. And here at point A plus Q, at point B minus Q, separated by either 2A or 2R, then such type of arrangement or system is defined as electric dipole. And the measurement of electric dipole moment, whenever we take the charge magnitude, either positive charge magnitude or negative charge magnitude, because both the magnitude is same, so Q only taken and the product of distance between both, either 2A or 2R, then Q into 2A representing electric dipole moment. In vector form, this is representing by vector P is equal to Q into 2A, because Q means what? Charge, that is scalar quantity, so representing vector on 2A, and it is a vector means what? Direction also, so direction from negative charge to positive charge, and its unit, charge unit coulomb, and 2A means distance, that is unit is meter. And examples of electric dipole: water, hydrochloric acid, this is ethanol, and this is what? Acetic acid. And there is an important conclusion about dipole: whenever the charge value becomes heavier or infinite, tends to infinite, and when the distance between the charge value, like two opposite charges and equal in magnitude, whenever increases in such a way, then the distance between both reduces to 0. Then in this case, the system or the arrangement is defined as ideal dipole. Thank you so much.